Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote from Ballantine here with another Marketing Minute. My topic today is where we see SEO going in 2019. So are links, on-page optimization, and having a technically sound website still important? Absolutely. You want to make sure that you're earning links, you want to make sure that you have the right keywords in the right places on your website, and you want to make sure that your website is free of broken links, broken pages, etc. Those things are all still important, and they're still important next year, 2020, etc. But where Google's really heading towards is favoring brands, popular brands, and favoring websites that have strong usability. So, Google's job is to rank high-quality websites, and so two major signals to them are websites that have strong brand popularity. So, a lot of people are searching for them in Google. They can see that. They can see how many people are searching for Ballantine versus other agencies, and then having strong UX in your website. So Google can see the dwell time, how long people stay on your website. They can see, okay, they're showing these 10 pages on the first page of Google, which one is getting the clicks? And that's a sign of quality to them. They look at those things, and that factors into their algorithm. So two takeaways here for you guys is for the brand part, it really comes down to doing other things besides SEO. SEO is important, obviously, but you want to be doing other marketing to get your brand out there so that your brand becomes more popular and people are searching more for your brand in Google, which they will see. And then having strong UX, that's having video on your website, a fast-loading website, clear call to actions. But in terms of getting more clicks from Google, from the search results, you want to make sure that your metadata, your title tag and your meta description are very engaging. You want to use the title tag and the meta description to earn the click. And that's my Marketing Minute for today. If you enjoyed our video, please like it or share it with a friend or follow us here. Have a great day.